Hi everyone, and welcome to part 1 of 2 of our crafting session for Being Human 2020. So today I'm going to help you make some out of this world rocket bookmarks. So you can hold them together like that, and then when you've got them in the book you can have the ribbon keep your place and then the rocket at either side. So these are really simple to make and they're really good fun to play around with too, so you can be as crafty as you want to be. Now I will be also creating worksheets with step-by-step guides. Please do follow, if you haven't already, the Being Human Festival. We also have at Human Dundee on Twitter and hashtag Being Human 2020. So there's lots of really exciting things to do on our website and our information, but today I'm going to teach you how to do this. So basically the first step you want to do, now you can either use plain card or coloured card or jazzy card. I've got card with stars here, just whatever you have round about your house. We've tried to make all of our crafts as sustainable as possible. You can use just whatever you have lying around. So for your bookmark you will need card of different colours ideally, or plain, and you can decorate them. That's a really fun family thing to do. And a piece of ribbon or rope, just something to be able to create the bookmark section that will hold your place. Okay, so first of all, if you just draw out a really simple rocket template on your card, and that way you can cut around it. Now it's worth saying you want to have them in 2 separate parts. So I've already prepared this earlier, but like I said, you want to make sure that the top is cut off. Okay, now depending on your age, if you're doing this by yourself, you might want to get a grown-up to do the cutting for you. So I drew out the rocket and just cut it out like that. Okay, so like I said, cut the top off and then you're good to go. Something else you want to do, I've used some nice yellow card here. I've drawn out the flames that'll go at the back of the rocket. So I'm just going to cut them out just now. So just be really careful when you're doing your cutting, and just nice simple shapes for the fire that's going to be coming out the back of your rocket. Now I don't know if you have already done some work on the moon. The moon is our theme for Being Human this year, so that promotes lots of thinking about outer space, astronauts, moons, planets, aliens maybe, rockets. So lots of really fun crafts to do relating to all of that, and great chances for you to use your imagination as well. So I have the fire here. Now you're going to need some sellotape just to secure that to the bottom there like that. I think we'll maybe use the corrugated side for this. So get some sellotape and stick it to the back here. Now don't get all your sellotape muddled and tangled. That always happens to me. There we go. So that's that secured, just like that. So we've got our 2 pieces here. Now remember, you can decorate these however you wish. So if you want to even do a little window and a little alien inside it, that would be really cool. Or an astronaut, just whatever you think. Now if you turn your rocket on its back, so the back end, so the side that I've just taped, and then you're going to get your piece of ribbon or string, whatever you have around, and you're just going to tape it one end to each of the backs of the rocket. So there's one. It's amazing what you can do with sellotape. And there's 2. And it is literally as simple as that. So there we have it. That's your explosive rocket bookmark. Now, as I said, do feel free to use the internet to check out all of our wonderful crafts too. We the Dundee Library's Facebook page will also have some live streaming of events that we've done where we're going to build this rocket and also a kaleidoscope. And there's also going to be lots of really fun folk tales. And I'm going to be reading Chase Strathley's picture book, The Loon on the Moon. So thank you all for watching, and part 2 coming up.